Mulwark is a 4-level cutter. It can cut fabric, cardboard, tin, and carpet with speeds of 120, 160, 200, and 320 RPMs with a 2000 milliamp battery that will run up to 40 plus minutes non-stop. It comes in a nice soft shell hard case. And what we're going to do is open up the product and show you how the cutter and self-cutting works. It's USB-C compliance, and this is the color it comes in. We're going to show you how to change the blades. You get 2 replaceable blades with one already in the unit and the self-sharpening blade system. And what we're going to do is plug in and show you how to charge, and then the LED light in the back and the instruction guide of how to go about. You have a mesh to put all your accessories in, and the embedded area and the battery location or blade location. Your unit already comes charged and has a film protector. Please peel off. Pressing on the unit shows level 4. And in order to run the unit, there is a safety mechanism switch. It's at 100% fully charged. To change the speeds, there are buttons over here. Simply press on the button to change from 3 to 2 to 1 and increase to 2, 3, and 4. As we peel off the safety sticker, this is what it looks like when pressing. To cut cardboard, we put on speed number 2, and we have a LED light in the front to show you. As you can see, it stays on for a number of seconds. Simply grab, place on, and cut up to a 6mm cardboard. You may increase the speed for faster cutting. Please hold firmly to cut. Breaking up cardboard is as easy as cutting. We can increase the speed number 4 for tin cutting of aluminum. Speed number 4 for aluminum. Changing out the blade, please be careful with the oils, machine oil, and the blade. The blade has a bevel, and the bevel faces away from the Mulwark logo. You have is a tool that simply goes on, rotates off, pull the bolt away, and without pressing the trigger, please lift up and away the blade. Placing on the blade, there are 2 notches. Simply take the blade, slide on to the notched area, adjust, and in reverse order, put on the bolt. And with the tool, start to tighten up. And you're done. This is the sharpening area, self-sharpening. The blade, the tool and bolt to remove, the safety and the trigger, the LED, the 2000 milliamp battery, and the charging area, and the LCD window with the decrease and increase. The Mulwark 4.2 volt, 2000 milliamp, with 4 levels of cutting with an LED light and battery, comes in a nice soft shell for your projects at school all the way to your household needs. It comes in a nice soft hard shell case, store away when you need to have a tool to cut fabric all the way to tin. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.